Number 1.
1994 Dodge Dakota, price $5,700, that has traveled approximately 133,000 miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a durable 3.9L V6 gasoline engine, offering a solid balance of performance and reliability. The vehicle is further enhanced by a 4x4 drivetrain, allowing it to handle a variety of road conditions. Visually, the truck features a bold red exterior paired with a gray interior, creating a classic yet functional appearance that remains appealing over time. In terms of practicality, the pickup includes a 6.4-foot bed that provides generous cargo space, making it suitable for both work-related tasks and everyday hauling needs. The combination of its club cab body style and spacious bed adds versatility, offering additional interior room alongside useful storage capacity. According to its Carfax report, the vehicle has no recorded accidents or damage, which reflects a clean history and suggests that it has been well cared for by its previous owner.
Number 2.
1995 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000, that has traveled 286,000 miles and comes with a smooth automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior combined with a blue interior, giving it a classic and functional look. Powered by a strong 5.7L V8 gasoline engine, the truck delivers solid performance and reliability for daily use or long-distance driving. According to its condition, the truck runs perfectly and has been properly cared for, including a newly installed air conditioning system that ensures comfort during travel. All power features are fully functional and operate as they should, adding convenience and ease of use. In addition, the truck is free from rust, indicating good body condition and proper maintenance over time. It is equipped with good tires that are ready for the road, and the paint remains in good shape, enhancing its overall appearance. With its strong engine, smooth driving performance, and well-maintained components, this vehicle is considered ready to be driven anywhere without worry, making it a solid choice for someone looking for a durable and reliable heavy-duty truck.
Number 3. 1996 Ford F-150, price $8,950, with a 5.0L V8 engine and automatic transmission.
It has been driven for 212,000 miles and runs very well, with both the engine and transmission in good condition and no major issues reported. The truck features a brown exterior paired with a gray interior and operates on gasoline fuel. The vehicle has received several recent upgrades and maintenance, including a new radiator, refreshed suspension, transmission service, engine service, and replacement of the alternator, starter, and battery. It also comes with new paint and upgraded HD lights, enhancing its overall appearance. While the truck does not have air conditioning and tends to run warm, it starts reliably and continues to perform well as a solid, dependable pickup. Overall, this pickup stands as a dependable and well-maintained option.
Number 4.
1996 Ford Ranger, price $5,500. It has been driven 107,000 miles, which is considered relatively low for its age, and it runs on gasoline with a transmission that operates smoothly and reliably. It features a gray exterior paired with a burgundy interior, creating a classic yet distinctive appearance. The truck starts without issues and drives well, making it suitable for daily use or light-duty work. Overall, it has been maintained in clean condition, reflecting careful ownership over the years. The air conditioning system currently requires a recharge, but aside from that, the vehicle performs as expected. It comes with a clean title in hand, ready for a straightforward transfer to the next owner.
Number 5.
1979 Dodge D150, price $10,000, with only around 80,000 miles recorded and believed to be one of just 5,000 units ever produced. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck stands out with its eye-catching red exterior, complemented by a matching red interior. As a true survivor, the vehicle is described as 100% original and completely rust-free. Despite having been stored for approximately 10 years, the vehicle still runs and drives, although it is recommended to transport it by towing to ensure safety and prevent potential issues from long-term inactivity. Recent updates include 4 brand new tires and a new battery, allowing for easier recommissioning. While the interior remains largely intact, it does require some minor restoration work to bring it back to its full potential. The truck also comes with a clean title in hand, adding to its value and ease of ownership transfer.
Number 6.
1992 Dodge D250, price $10,000, is a diesel-powered 2WD truck that has been driven for 117,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a burgundy exterior paired with a tan interior, reflecting its classic styling. The vehicle runs well and has a current registration along with a clean title in hand, and the odometer is fully functional. The transmission shifts smoothly from first to third gear, however, it occasionally slips in and out of overdrive due to a faulty ECU. While the rear axle has been completely serviced by a professional shop, the truck would benefit from a front-end rebuild. Cosmetically, the paint is peeling on the hood, and there is bubbling on the cab above the windshield caused by a previous poor quality paint job.
Number 7. 1994 Ford F-150, price $6,000, featuring only 1,000 miles driven since undergoing major mechanical updates. It comes with an automatic transmission, a white exterior paired with a tan interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck is equipped with a 2WD drivetrain and has been upgraded with a freshly rebuilt big block 460 engine and a freshly rebuilt C6 transmission. It also features a brand new 2.5-inch dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. In addition, the vehicle has a completely new brake system, enhancing safety and control, along with 18-inch bullet rims that give it a more modern and bold appearance. The interior has been upgraded with aftermarket seats, offering added comfort for daily driving or long trips. Number 8.
1972 GMC 1500, price $7,500, that has been driven approximately 30,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, with a brown exterior and a black interior. This vehicle has been repainted in its original metallic bronze color, maintaining its vintage appeal. While there is some rust present on the rocker panels, the floors, roof, and cowl remain in very solid condition. It is powered by an excellent running Goodwrench Crate 350 engine, which has recently received a full tune-up including new spark plugs, wires, HEI ignition, and filters.
The engine starts easily, idles smoothly, and transitions effortlessly into gear.
The truck is also equipped with a quality exhaust system featuring headers. In terms of maintenance and upgrades, the vehicle has received brand new brakes, including calipers, master cylinder, and hoses, as well as new wheels and tires. The suspension has been refreshed with new shocks and rear leaf springs. The truck bed currently uses plywood and horse mats but retains all the original rails and strips.
Number 9. 1981 Toyota truck, price $3,900, powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck has been driven approximately 65,000 miles, which is considered relatively low for a vehicle of its age. Visually, it features a brown exterior complemented by a tan interior. In terms of performance, the truck runs and drives well once it has reached its normal operating temperature. During the initial startup phase, the transmission may feel somewhat sluggish, but this issue improves as the vehicle warms up, after which it performs smoothly and reliably. Additionally, the truck comes with an extra transmission unit, which can be a valuable inclusion for maintenance, repairs, or future replacement needs. The body and bed do show visible signs of rust, which is common for vehicles of this age, especially those that have been used for work purposes. Despite this, the truck remains functional and practical. It is also equipped with a rear bed cover, adding protection for cargo, and the bed itself is spacious, making it suitable for transporting goods, tools, or equipment. Number 10.
1997 Chevrolet 3500, price $3,500, with a 5.7L, 350, engine and a 4L80E automatic transmission. The vehicle has been driven for 232,000 miles and runs on gasoline, featuring a red exterior paired with a tan interior. It has received several recent updates, including a new battery, fuel pump, and starter, while the water pump, fan clutch, and idler pulley were all replaced about 2 years ago. Overall, the body remains in decent condition for its age, although it shows some dents and general wear. However, there are a few known issues. The emergency brake cable is broken, the driver's side door handle is damaged, the engine burns a small amount of oil, and it has not had a tune-up in quite some time.